Minnesota here. My good buddy Oregon. How you doing, Oregon? Hey, I'm doing pretty good. Oregon, we've been away for a little while. We haven't done a video and said hi to our subscribers and all our friends out there. Yeah, I know. Wow. So today we thought we'd get together and look where we're at. Do you know what's behind us? No, what? It's the White House. Yeah, it's the White House, all right. Oh, no, that's funny. No, it's the White House. It's where President Trump lives. Oh, isn't that cool?
Here comes a bird.
Oh, yeah. It looks like we got birds coming at us, too.
Oregon.
Yeah, he's going to land on me, isn't he? Yep. Ow! Oh, yeah. So, viewers out there, just wanted to talk about, hopefully, all of our viewers and our subscribers are down in the Carolinas area are keeping safe, because I know Hurricane Florence is coming. Yeah, I heard about that. Oh, yeah.
Kansas.
It's going to be coming there probably tomorrow and Friday.
Kansas.
Hey, here's our good buddy Kansas. Kansas, are you going to get affected by Hurricane Florence? I don't think so. Oh, yeah, that's probably not. You're over there by Texas somewhere.
Alaska.
Oh, look at that. There's our good buddy Alaska. How you doing, Al? I'm doing pretty good.
You're one of the largest states.
You're the largest state in the union, aren't you? Oh, yeah, I am.
Please don't steal the show.
Yeah, just because you're big, don't try to steal our show like you did before.
Don't call it Alaska and Kansas.
Yeah, that's right. It's not Alaska and Kansas, Minnesota, and Oregon. Oh, come on. You guys got to take a break sometime.
I'm going to do it anyway.
I want to do it anyways. Oh, no, we're not going to let you do it this time.
Yeah. Or
Everybody, welcome to Alaska, Kansas. We're right here. You can't do it because we're still in the camera field, so you can't do that. Oh, okay.
it's Ohio.
Oh, look at that, your good buddy, Ohio. How you doing up there, Ohio?
Ohio. How you doing, Alaska?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at that, your good buddy, Nevada. He's coming down to say hi. He's gonna do. Whoa! See you later, Alaska. Oh, that wasn't very nice to Nevada, was it?
Oh, dude, I'm making upside down.
Oh, yeah, you are. How's that feeling for you? Hey, it's our good buddy Hawaii. How you doing? Aloha!
I got another hurricane coming.
I got another hurricane coming. But you know what? I think the volcano's all done. Oh, yeah.
Michigan, are you done drinking?
Oh, hey, look at our good buddy Michigan. How you doing, Michigan?
I'm alright.
Can I have more water?
Can I get some more water?
No. But wait.
Oh, no, you're not going to do that. Just because Hawaii's here, you're not going to be drinking out of the ocean again. You saw what happened last time. Hey, what's our good buddy coming now?
Dude. Righteous, look at that. I got your eye right on my leg. I got another pair of eyes. I got like 4 eyes here.
Dude. Oh, yeah, when a bird comes, you're going to be in big trouble.
Whoa, dude. I'm tripping. Whoa. Spinning around. It's crazy, man. I'm going to throw up. I'm going to hurl.
Oh, yeah, well, we don't want that, especially if it's going to be on me. So, hey, why don't you stop spinning there, Mr. Caddy?
Okay, dude.
Oh, yeah, so this is saying hopefully all of our good friends in the Carolinas and down that area stay safe and make sure you got plenty of water and food for the Hurricane Florence. Don't go outside, obviously, and stay safe here, not near the windows, and we're going to be praying for you. And also, don't forget to tell your friends to subscribe to Minnesota and Oregon. We're kind of slowing down on our subscribers, so we'd like to pick it back up again. So, when you see this, give us some ideas what we can do to pick up our subscriber list again. Okay, everybody, thank you. Have a good night.